Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I cannot tell you, it is the most exciting video ever. I have a package here and guess what? This is from Louis Vuitton. Cannot tell you guys, this unboxing is going to be one of the most exciting one for me and also for you guys because this is Louis Vuitton makeup and you guys know Louis Vuitton just launched makeup products with Pat McGrath collaboration, and Pat McGrath makeup products are just so good. I'm so impressed by the Mothership palette that Pat McGrath came up with. Those are like incredibly gorgeous eyeshadows. So when they did this collaboration, and Louis Vuitton is also one of my favorite brand, you guys know how much I love the brand, my regular go-to brand. I pretty much love most of their products, their bags, sunglasses, other different accessories, small goods. Everything is my favorite, so I actually could not resist keeping myself away from buying this. So I actually placed an order online in Louis Vuitton website, and let's see what we have here. Let's open it together. Ooh, look at that. This is the classic Louis Vuitton packaging. I'm not sure how it looks if you buy from store. This is how beautifully it arrived. Let me tell you one thing, really feeling like excited and guilty at the same time because I spent so much to buy just only 2 lipsticks. I bought only 2 lipsticks and they have like lipsticks and eyeshadows, but I went for only lipsticks and I will tell you why. First of all, let's have a moment, then we will say more. Okay, this is probably the receipt and everything. Here comes our little goodies. So we will be trying out this today. I'll show you what shades I got. I'm nervous myself too because I spent so much money just seeing online the shades because they were selling out so fast, and with kids and my full-time work I really barely have time to go to the shop on time to get my products. So I just placed online order and I'm not sure if these are the right shades. So here is my little package from Louis Vuitton, and I just wish Louis Vuitton sponsored this video and it was a collaboration, but it did not happen for real. I just wish, because so many influencers and content creators, they got like the Louis Vuitton PR package. It looks so gorgeous. It's just like a dream come true, but it did not happen this time. It doesn't mean that it will never happen. It could happen sometime in the future, and I will be just looking forward to this. But for buying these 2 lipsticks, I had to spend a lot of money, which is insane and which obviously gives me guilt. But also without buying this, being a makeup lover and makeup artist and hugely passionate for makeup, I could not resist myself from buying this. It was giving me kind of restless time, so I thought I just should try it out, and also I could share with you so that it actually helps you to decide if you need it or not. Okay, let's just see what we have. So the one thing I cannot really justify why it is so expensive. Okay, first what I see is something here. Probably these are some testers. I don't know. Oh wow, they sent me these testers. Okay, that's nice. Even though it is very small, but still it's cute. This little packaging, obviously cute. So they sent me 4 different other lipstick shades so I can actually try and know if I want them in the future. Yeah, okay. And one thing before I start, I just want to tell you, I did not grab the eyeshadow palette. I really had to, you know, just not buy it, but I really wanted it because it looks, the eyeshadow packaging is absolutely gorgeous. But what I saw is that the eyeshadow packaging is also they have like the refill package. So if you buy the refill, it's kind of like $100 something, but if you buy the full eyeshadow, it's 300 Canadian, 300 something Canadian. So that means you are just paying $200 for only the packaging, and the eyeshadow itself is just 100. So it is really not justifiable, but anyways, also the time when I wanted to buy, like I was looking at them, the nude or neutral shades were all gone. The only shades were available, something I will not use, two blue, and there was another green something palette. So I was just like, okay, I usually don't wear those colors, the neutral ones. I don't find any reason you pay so much when you apply in your eyelids. You can never tell it's from which brand. You just see the shades. So it's just totally waste of money. But also, if you love makeup, if you love those aesthetic packaging, if you're a collector, you are collecting. This is high-end brand. Chanel has makeup, Dior has, but they are not like, they are half of the price of Louis Vuitton. I don't know why it's so expensive, but I also know that they always want to keep their product exclusive to certain level, that they don't want everyone to buy it. They want to have certain customer levels. So yeah, it's kind of like piece of art. So I have nothing to say. But here are our lipsticks. So what I did for lipstick, I did something. I bought these two, okay? You see, they're two different packaging, because this is with the case and this is just the refill. So I bought two lipsticks. One is only the refill and one is with the case, because I really wanted to have the experience without spending too much. The lipstick itself is $85 like Canadian, and when you buy the whole thing with the cover, it's like $200. Can you just believe what a difference? So these are matte lipsticks, and very carefully I picked up them. So first let's start with this, the actual lip product, okay, where we have the package, the outer covering and everything. So it has this gorgeous Louis Vuitton sign everywhere. You open it and there comes the actual packaging. It's embossed everywhere. You see how it is, like very luxurious. It is all about the experience. You cannot really compare it to regular makeup for the packaging, okay? Lipstick, I don't know, we will see. Look at that. Look how gorgeous the details are. You see, it's like kind of like a jewelry piece or art piece, whatever you call it. It's so stunning. It's so stunning, and I could not think that I will not have it, at least one lipstick in my collection. And oh, look at that. Look at that. You never know if the color is going to suit you until you swatch, because so many times it happens that I am obsessed with the look of it, but then it doesn't match me. I'm nervous, obviously, because I know I probably cannot return. I don't know, but look, I think it's probably the most gorgeous color. Okay, well, what is the name of the color? It is where it is written. Oh, the packaging itself, like, look how luxurious it looks, like made of gold almost. So, well, this is 207 Sensual Wave, okay, and matte, because I'm always up for matte, so I just went for this. Let's try this. Lipstick is so expensive, we have to make proper use out of it, right? So let's do that. Okay, I don't want to break it, make it smaller. Ah, look at that. Ah, this is matte, but it feels so good, like it's a balm. Looks like I am really good at picking the right shade for me, even looking online. Absolutely loving the shade. They have Louis Vuitton logo also embossed in the lipstick, and I just don't want to ruin it. It's so pretty. Okay, my thoughts. This lipstick feels absolutely amazing. The color, I think this is such a perfect mauvey color. It is going to be beautiful for any skin tone. It is going to be just perfect for any skin tone, I'm sure, and especially for brown skin. It is just the exact shade, mauvey shade that you ever need. And the quality is really, it's so comfortable. Like, it's a matte lipstick, but it's so comfortable. It's really hydrating, like, really. So whatever I paid, I have to forget about it, because it gives pain, little bit of pain, because whenever you just think how much you spend for this lipstick, definitely give you a little bit of pain there. But if you feel like you love experiences, and this is also one of a lifetime experience, like this kind of gorgeous makeup in your vanity, every day you look at it, you feel happy. If you are that kind of a person, then this is for you. If you don't know where your makeup goes, you just put it everywhere, you never look at the packaging, you don't have any time, then obviously not. But overall, impressed with the packaging, with the quality. So good. And also, this is, I think you can, this is okay, so yeah, this is how you can take it out from the actual case. So you can put inside any lipstick and that will fit. So I have this, and because I really wanted to try this shade, so I just got the refill, because I don't really want so many cases because they're expensive. If this was not expensive, I would definitely have many more of, you know, these cases. But that is so easy. Once I'm done with this lipstick, I can just keep this cover and put a new one in. So that is good. Like, one time you buy the case, next time you just, you know, you don't have to buy it again. That is that, and that is how it is here in the box. It's so beautiful. And now I have to try the next lipstick. I have to take it off, and it is also giving me a heartache because it's expensive. Every time I remove it, it's just telling me I'm removing, I'm just losing some money. I don't know, it feels like that because I never used such expensive lipsticks in my life. I don't know if they exist, but yeah. Anyways, the refill package is also kind of nice. You can cover it and you just have this beautiful, you know, little details here. So even the refill packaging is good, okay? And so I can totally put this lipstick. If I'm going outside, I just want to take one of this lipstick, I can just take one in that same case and go out, okay? So this refill shade is, which number is it? This is the 110 Vuittonite, and this is one of their most popular shades. I have seen many people bought this and tried it. Looked good, so I want to try it. Guys, now we are going to try number 110. So it's small cap there, so it's good. And then, ooh. Okay, no, it's working, yeah. Look at the color. This is completely my kind of color, like my go-to, my, like, at least from the packaging I can tell this is such a gorgeous shade. Let me try. And how it is embossed at the middle, the logo, it looks absolutely fantastic. So now we'll be applying it on my lips. Just the perfect color. So one is more mauvey and the other one is more on the peachy side, or you can say more on the brown side. how velvety it feels on my skin. It's just so good. That's how 110 Vuittonite. What do you think, guys? I think this is absolutely prettiest shade. Goes so good with my skin tone, like the perfect shade of lipstick. You don't need to mix it with anything. You don't need to apply any lip liner. You don't need anything. It's just it's so good. Feels on my lips. It's just absolutely what you need from a lipstick, and it gives the matte look. What can be better? Pat McGrath, you killed it. It's just a dream. So happy with my purchase. I'm like, really, thank you so much everyone for watching this video up to this point. And I think now you really have an idea about these lipsticks. If you're looking for it, if you're a brown girl, just go for these two. I'll highly recommend. These are like really lovely lipsticks. And if you're a matte girl, these lipsticks are going to save your lips. Okay, so they're so good. Well, now that I have seen and tried the lipsticks, I mean, it was so hard to make myself manage and make me understand that I don't need the eyeshadows, because they are just the shades that I have so many in my collection. But I feel like if the lipstick are this good, and if I know like Pat McGrath eyeshadow palettes are so blendable, I have seen people wearing the eyeshadows from Louis Vuitton are really blending so well. I'm really interested. I was thinking to, you know, sit back and wait, because obviously they have launched their new makeup, so they're going to be coming up with other products. Obviously they will bring blush, which is never easy for me to resist. They will come up with some skin products probably, but I thought eyeshadows, I already have so many palettes. $300 for one, you know, basic palette is not justifiable. Even though every time I see the packaging of the eyeshadow, I just I cannot argue anymore. It's just so gorgeous. I don't know eventually if I'm going to collect one eyeshadow palette or not. If I collect, I will obviously share with you guys, let you know. But these lipsticks are just absolute love. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Have the other, you know, other testers here. They sent me 3 matte and 1 satin, which is good. And these colors also look like gorgeous colors. I think Pat McGrath color palette is really something that is so brown skin friendly. In fact, good for anyone. These shades are so gorgeous. I'll try them out. I'll try to try them in front of the camera, probably post them here or Instagram, so you get to see the shades as well and can decide which shade you actually want. But this shade is such an obsession. 110, the shade we tried before, that was also like such a great shade, like 207. But this is such an everyday color. Like I see myself wearing it every time and maybe buying it more. Anyways, you guys, thanks for watching for all this time and supporting me. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment down below which Louis Vuitton lipsticks you are planning to grab or you are absolutely avoiding it. Just let me know. I will be seeing you next time on my next video. Take care. Bye.